Welcome to your items catalog. To quickly add or update multiple products, the most efficient method is using our import function. First, click Import Excel. This opens the import modal. Before you upload, it's highly recommended to download our template. Click the Template button to download a pre-formatted Excel file. This ensures all your product data is structured correctly for a seamless import. Fill in the required product information, such as item code, name, category, price, and weight, into the corresponding columns in the template. Once your file is ready, navigate back to the import modal. Scroll down to the Upload section and click Choose File. Select your completed Excel or CSV file from your computer. Remember, the file size limit is 10 megabytes. After uploading, the system will validate your data and move to the next phase for mapping and final confirmation. And that's it! Importing items via Excel or CSV is the fastest way to manage your growing product catalog.